How to fix Telegram downloaded media files not showing. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have an updated version of the Telegram application on your device. So for that, go to the Play Store application and on the search bar, just search for Telegram application over here. So as you tap on that, you can see the app is updated to its latest version and we do not have any updates available. So I'm going to go back and make a long press on Telegram, then tap on app info. Now as we tap on app info, it will lead us to a new page where you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. So just tap on that. You can clear cache over here, then tap on OK. Then tap on app permission. Make sure that you have toggled on all the required options that are essential for the Telegram to operate properly. After that, go back and make sure to watch and look for the media files if they're downloaded and if they're shown or not. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.